What's good, family? I hope you're doing great. I'm doing wonderful. The course is done. The Market Mastermind is done. Click the link down below. Unlock the success to your trading. I promise you, this is going to give you that understanding that you've been looking for. It's going to give you the view of seeing the trades without ever having to worry about a bunch of indicators or any of that stuff. You're going to be able to visualize the trades before you even take the trades. With this course, I tried to dump everything that I could into it to give you that understanding. But purchasing the course is going to give you access to the 30-day lab to where we'll have basically one-on-one, but in a group setting, every single day for 30 days. And it'll start March 1st, and it'll be 2-hour sessions every single day. On top of that, you'll have live trading sessions that I'll be doing, and then I'll still be doing a a mental Monday where we help build your mental and help keep the mental strong throughout the trading week. And we'll have a breakdown on Saturdays as well. Now, the live trading sessions that we'll have in the community, one of those will be for the free access members in Discord, but you won't have any access to the course and you won't have any access to the 30-day lab. All the 30-day lab sessions will be recorded for anybody that doesn't make it, but the goal is for you to be able to make these sessions. We'll do a majority vote to where we'll pick the majority time that everybody is available, so then you can make it to them sessions and get your questions asked. It's literally going to basically be me right there walking you through, helping you get that understanding, answering all the questions that you want. We'll literally walk through the course together and go through it. And I'm also going to be updating the course throughout the next couple months with content that is geared towards the 30-day lab of questions that were commonly asked or certain things that members might need help with, and I'm going to be doing content geared towards that specifically just for the course. So it won't be anywhere else, just for the course. And again, when we hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, we'll start going live. So yeah, I hope that y'all could get me up there. We're at 277 right now, I'm pretty sure. I appreciate the love. I thank the love. And hopefully when I start dumping this content out, because the goal now throughout the rest of the year is to continually dump content to give you value. I'm getting ready to start the transition videos where I'll be transitioning from my 9-to-5 to a full-time trader and becoming a mentor and teaching and giving the skill away to help you get to the profitability and unlock the mastery of the market so you can start making profits as well. If you haven't go to the Discord, join the Discord. You could join the free Discord. You can see all the withdrawals that I made with pocket options. You can see all the content on my YouTube. I make money through trading. I really do this with pocket options. It's not hard, but you have to put the work in. And the goal with the 30-day labs is you're putting the work in just as much as I'm putting the work in, because I'm here every day just like you are, and I'm gaining just as much value as you are. Because just because the course is called the Market Mastermind, as a master, you're going to continue always to be leveling up, always. As a master, think about Kobe Bryant. Even when he was one of the best, he was still showing up first and probably leaving last, and still was getting in the shots that he needed every single day. You should be getting in on the chart every single day, regardless if you got money, regardless if you had a bad day, regardless. You should be getting your reps in on the charts. You should be working every day. And the goal is to show you with this 30-day lab, I'm going to show you the process of how I did it and how I was able to do it, on top of guiding you through the course to help you get that best understanding so you can literally make profits. You know, I'm not trying to just shove a course out there and, hey, buy this and hopefully you make it. Nah, buy this. Let's make sure you make it. And for the people that are watching this late, get in, because I'm going to be doing 30-day labs every other month throughout the year in order to help people become profitable. because a lot of people, they just need them questions answered to help them get that better understanding. They need someone that can really kind of just be there with them while they go through some certain things, so then when they do go off on their own, they have that ability, they have that skill mastered, and they know how to maneuver and act when they're in that situation on their own. Because I know it can be scary. That's why a lot of people will focus on signals, or just watching live trading and trading with their mentors trading and stuff. Nah, the goal with this is to help you get that understanding, and the goal with the 30-day lab is to help you really understand the things that I'm talking about, and help you grasp the skill so you can go out and you can do this on your own. When you grasp the skill of this market mastermind, you're going to be able to trade any market, from crypto to high frequency to Forex to futures to options to stocks to anything that's got a chart with Hakanashi candles. You're going to be able to read that chart and be able to know what's going on with price and what's price telling you. And that's ultimately the goal, to understand what price is telling you, because that's the foundation of trading. When you understand what price is telling you and what's going on in the market, and being able to understand the market, then you can add all the indicators and all the other stuff that you want. But none of those add value if you don't know what the market is telling you, and you don't understand why the market is moving in a specific way, or why the Hakanashi candles are bigger in a certain way, or why is there only 2 candles in it, they're all dojis, or you're going to be able to understand all that. The goal is to give you that understanding, to help you see the market and view the market in the most simple, complex way possible, because trading is easy and complex at the same time. Because when you get the skill of it, and you get the understanding of it, it's no longer do I understand what I'm looking at, or is this real, or can this strategy work, or this work? Nah, whatever works. Anything that anybody says normally works, but it works for specific people. And the goal with this is to give you that basic foundation to where you can understand the basics and understand the foundation of how price is moving and what you're even looking at, versus just looking at a strategy and going off what somebody's telling you to do. Now, this is going to give you that understanding so you can go and make that decision on your own. That's the goal. It's not like a basic course. This isn't going to be, if you're a brand new beginner trader, you don't know what a candlestick is or anything, this ain't for you. This is for the intermediate advanced traders, the traders that you got an understanding of what you're kind of looking at. You've been around for a little bit. You know what a candlestick is. You know what a zone is. You know what all these little intermediate things are. And this will take you to that next level to really understand what you're even looking at. And but with that, I can't wait to see you in the community. I hope that you gain value from this. And when you do grab it, I can't wait to see you in the 30-day lab. But after this video, I do plan on dropping like twice a week for the next 6 months probably. I got a bunch of content that I'm getting ready to start pushing out and recording. But I wanted to get this done, and I want to get the last bit of documents, because you're going to have all videos, and then most of the videos for charting and stuff will have documents and notes and things that you can utilize without having to go back and reanalyze the video. It'll have like highlighted things that we talked about more or less in the description. And then I'm also going to be making a dictionary, kind of not like a dictionary, but a word thing that will have an index. I'm going to be making an index that will have all the words, and they'll basically have kind of like descriptions and definitions of what the meanings are behind them words that I'm talking about as we go through the course. And as you join the community and watch my videos, you'll hear certain things that, they might not make sense, like a level line or a, let's say a hook pattern or something to that nature. Just things that you might hear that might not make sense, or you might need what does this mean? Why is he saying this? You'll be able to have that. So that's the goal. I'm in the process of that right now. That's taking me a little bit because I want to go through all the videos and get the words that I commonly use and specific things, and then I'm going to put the definition and the context behind them so you can have that and have somewhere that you can go back and reference. Like, hey, when he was talking about the uh the level line breaker, when he was talking about structure broken, what's he talking about? And you go there, and structure broken is when the Hakanashi da 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 da, like, I'll have kind of a definition of what that term means, or what that word means, more or less. But that's the goal. I'm working on it. I'm in the process. I have most of it done. I have about 100 words done, but I need to go back through and double check all of them and make sure that they're more in a understanding term, because a lot of times I'll get typing and I'm kind of dyslexic, so sometimes I will be talking and I'll be thinking, but the word that I'm thinking as I'm doing the sentence might not come out, so then it'll be words missing, or some words will be before other words, or some it's part of my life, all right? I don't know what to tell you. It's just part of my life. So that's why sometimes you'll hear me in videos. I'll probably say something backwards, or I'll probably put a word, some part of my life. It's just part of it. I don't know what to tell you. It is who I am. But I wanted to come give you guys an update. The course is done. Like I said, I'm getting the rest of these documents uploaded as we speak, and I'm making sure that they're as good as I want them to be, because I want you to get the most value out of this course. That's the whole goal of it. But yeah, with that being said, I appreciate you and thank you, and be on the lookout for another video. It'll probably be dropping, I would say, Monday or Tuesday. But the goal is to be dropping twice a week, so more content. It's going to be more psychology, more kind of identifying specific things in the markets, and just helping you get that fire understanding that you deserve to have. So that's the goal. And yeah, that's it. I hope that you could get the course, and I hope that you can get the understanding, and I hope to see you in the 30-day lab and in the community, so we can get you profitable, and we can really reach that next level. So I appreciate you. I thank you again. And yeah, like, subscribe, and share. Peace.